Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking for the best Wi-Fi dual dash cam to capture every angle on the road? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 dual dash cams with Wi-Fi that offer great features, reliability, and value. Stay tuned to see which one fits your ride best. Number 5, the Rove R2-4K dual dash cam is a feature-packed and reliable choice. I've been testing it extensively, and here's what stands out. Video quality. The front camera records in crisp 4K UHD, 2160p, and the rear cam captures in full HD 1080p. Both lenses are powered by the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, offering excellent low-light performance and clarity even at night. Daytime footage is sharp with true-to-life color, and license plates are easy to read. Dual recording. Having simultaneous front and rear recording gives you complete road coverage, perfect for protection against false claims or hidden runs. Wi-Fi and app support. One of the best parts is a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows downloads up to 20 megabytes per second using the Rove app. No more waiting around. Transferring video clips to your phone is blazing fast and hassle-free. Storage. It comes with a free 128 gigabytes micro SD card, which is rare at this price point. The dashcam also supports loop recording and G-sensor activation to automatically save footage of sudden impacts. Build and installation. The unit feels solid and well-made. Setup was straightforward with the included tools and instructions. Once installed, it blends well into the car's interior. Extras. Other features include GPS tracking, time-lapse recording, and parking mode, giving you added protection when your vehicle is parked. Final verdict. The Rove R2-4K dual dash cam delivers premium features like 4K recording, Starvis night vision, fast 5G Wi-Fi, and a rear cam, all bundled with a generous 128 gigabytes card. For those who want peace of mind on the road without breaking the bank, this is an excellent investment. Highly recommended. Number 4, the Otovoda dashcam front and rear camera. This video delivers a thorough and hands-on look at one of the best value dual dash cams currently available. From the start, the video clearly showcases a 4K front and 1080p rear resolution, which provides crystal clear footage, perfect for capturing license plates, road signs, and any unexpected incidents. The included 3-inch IPS display is a great touch, offering vibrant visuals and easy navigation through the settings. What sets this dash cam apart is the Wi-Fi connectivity and app support, allowing users to instantly view, download, and share footage straight from their smartphone. This feature is ideal for those who want quick access without needing to remove the SD card. Speaking of which, the video emphasizes a key selling point. It comes with a free 64 gigabytes micro SD card, a valuable addition that saves extra costs and gets users started right out of the box. In the night driving footage, the enhanced night vision capabilities really shine. Even in low-light conditions, the video remains clear and detailed, thanks to advanced sensors and image processing technology. Installation and mounting are covered in detail, showing just how simple it is to set up the front and rear cameras securely. The reviewer also highlights useful features like loop recording, G-sensor for collision detection, and parking mode, which all add to the camera's reliability and usefulness. Overall, this video does a fantastic job of walking viewers through the key features, real-world performance, and overall value of the Otovoda dashcam. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, this dashcam is a smart investment in road safety and peace of mind. Thumbs up, highly recommended. Number 3. The Affver 4K dashcam is a powerful and feature-rich dash camera that stands out in its class. Right out of the box, it includes a 64 gigabytes card, which is a welcome touch and means you can start recording immediately without additional purchases. The 4K front camera delivers crystal clear video, capturing fine details like license plates and road signs, even in low-light conditions. The rear camera also performs well, making this a true dual dashcam solution for all-around protection. One of the most impressive features is the built-in 5G Wi-Fi, which allows for quick video downloads and easy adjustments via companion app. The GPS function accurately tracks your route and speed, a great bonus for reviewing incidents or road trips. The 3.59-inch IPS screen is bright and responsive, giving a clear live view and easy navigation through menus. Additional features like the G sensor, loop recording, and parking monitoring make this a reliable device for 24/7 coverage. Installation is straightforward, and the compact design ensures it won't obstruct your view. Overall, the Affver 4K Dashcam is a fantastic choice for drivers seeking high-quality video, robust features, and peace of mind on the road. Highly recommended. Number 2. The AZDOME M5 53-channel Dashcam is an impressive and reliable driving companion. Featuring 4K plus 2.5K dual recording and full 3-channel coverage, front, inside, rear, it captures clear footage in all directions, ideal for rideshare drivers or everyday commuters. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make accessing footage and tracking routes easy through the app. The included 64GB card is a nice touch, getting you started right out of the box. The 3.19-inch screen offers a clear preview, and night vision performs surprisingly well. Setup is straightforward, and the sleek design doesn't clutter the windshield. Overall, the M550 offers solid value with premium features at a mid-range price point. Number 1. The 70mAh 810 4K Dashcam delivers outstanding performance with its front and rear dual camera setup. Featuring Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, producing crisp night footage with HDR clarity. The built-in GPS, ADAS, and 4G LTE support enhance safety and connectivity on the road. I was particularly impressed by the AI motion detection and 24/7 parking mode, offering peace of mind even when the car is off. The time-lapse function is a nice bonus for long trips. Installation is straightforward, and the companion app, via built-in Wi-Fi, makes it easy to manage footage. Overall, this Dashcam combines cutting-edge tech and practical features, making it a smart investment for drivers seeking reliable protection and high-quality recording.